our white-bellied sea eagle with the scientific name of Haliatus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly, therefore the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found in near coastal areas of Australia, India, and syempre here in the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with the wingspan that could reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak, lalo kapag nasa alloy size na sea lakas schools. And guys, lakas here is a raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to drag away. As Pinoles po, Kuya Cyril is very protective love because all raptors have sharp and powerful talents. And folks, here in Davao Crocodile Park in Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Carminicae, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the eastern grass owl. But here in the Philippines, we have over 51 species of raptors soaring in our sky. Now folks, palapakan po natin si Lakas, please. At syempre, si Kuya Cyril ng kanyang personal favorite. Thank you so much. Kaya, once again, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills or kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And folks, they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sila sa malapitan. No girls, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Ayan. And this morning, magpapakita gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Okay, now folks, ito at the count of 3, I need you to shout, fly. Okay, so what's the word? Okay, so let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... More power, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... At kumapero. So yung flash po natin, pakita mo. Thank you so much. Guys, again, at the count of 3, shout, fly. Now guys, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill